Floralife knows that proper care and handling will give you the healthiest, freshest, and longest lasting cut flowers. Hi, I'm Christy Carter. I'm the Research and Development Technician at Floralife in Walterboro, South Carolina. And I invite you to watch our latest care and handling video. What I want to talk to you about right now is how to properly process flowers. There's usually two ways that you receive flowers. One's going to be wet packed. What that means is they're usually in a bucket and they have solution in there with them. If you receive your flowers this way, you want to make sure you check the solution, make sure there's no debris in it, make sure it's clean, clear, and you want to make sure there's enough solution in here for your flowers. If you receive your flowers dry packed, those flowers are going to be thirsty. They're going to be dehydrated because they've been traveling a long way to get to you. So what you want to do is take out your flowers. You want to cut about 1 to 2 inches off the stems, and you need to hydrate them. And what I like to use is our Floralife Quick Dip. It's instant hydration. You only have to use it for 1 second, and then put them in a storage solution, which would be Floralife Clear 200. So what I'm going to do first is measure out our Quick Dip. You only need about 2 inches of this. You can use any container you want. Okay. I'm going to set this aside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prepare our storage solution, the Clear 200. I've got a household pitcher here filled up to 1 gallon or 4 liters. I'm going to pour this into our bucket. After you make your first bucket, what I like to do is to use a yardstick, place it into your water, mark where the water line is. Then you don't have to measure out the water for every single bucket. All you have to do is place this in the bucket and fill your bucket with water to the line. Now what I'm going to do is place our storage solution in the bucket. For 1 gallon, we're going to use 2 pumps, 2 full pumps. 1, 2. Now we are ready to process our flowers. So the flowers that we have, they're dry packed. So that means they're in the box and they are very, very thirsty. First thing I'm going to do is cut the stems. You want to cut between 1 to 2 inches. The reason is within these stems there's going to be bacteria. Bacteria is going to clog up the stem. Think of the stems like a straw for the flowers. If the straw is clogged, there's no way the flowers are going to be able to take up the solution. And also you want to make sure you take the leaves off that would go below the solution level. These leaves, if they go below the solution level, they will die and they will cause more bacteria, and what that bacteria will do is clog up your stems again. So what we're going to do first is you want to hydrate your flowers with your Quick Dip. Place in for 1 second, take out. That's all you need. It's going to clean your stems and keep them free flowing. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and place into your storage bucket. Now you're ready to place your bucket into the cooler. And you can keep them in the cooler probably 3 to 5 to 7 days, depending on what you would like. But the main thing is to make sure that the solution stays clean and that there's no debris, and also make sure that the solution level is enough for the flowers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like us on Facebook, and for more care and handling tips, visit floralife.com.